Welcome to our channel. Setting up DirecTV streaming on your smart TV lets you enjoy live and on-demand content without traditional cable equipment. Here's how to activate the app step by step. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store. This might be called Samsung Apps, LG Content Store, Google Play Store, or similar depending on your TV brand. Step 2. Use the search function to find the DirecTV Stream app. Type DirecTV or DirecTV Stream in the search bar. Step 3. Select the official DirecTV Stream app from the results and click the Install or Download button. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 4. Once installed, open the DirecTV Stream app from your TV's app menu. The app will display a welcome screen. Step 5. Select Sign In if you already have a DirecTV Stream account, or choose Start your free trial if you're a new user. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen open and note the code displayed. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the DirecTV activation website at directv.com/stream-activate or the URL shown on your TV screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the website, then sign in with your DirecTV credentials. Your TV app should activate within moments, and you can start streaming immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.